Hello my friends, welcome Coffee and Reactions video channel. I am Mustafa from Turkey and we have a suggestion from my friend Kobe. Today we are gonna watch one more Hua Chenyu performance and today he's gonna sing Light Bonfire at the end of the Milky Way. Very interesting title, right? Light Bonfire at the end of the Milky Way. Okay. She said that this is a making your mood up song. This is a maybe a little happy song, a happy song maybe. Okay, let's start. Yeah, look at the music.
忘掉天空烦扰，跑起来吧，奔向星河的情侣。放肆的欢笑，装进10000岁月里，做颗悠然的心胸。
Okay. What was that noise?
荒郊之中舞蹈，星辰野草造出无边的天地。这地球太小，像座唤醒的孤岛，谁会在这儿终老？
This is beautiful. This is really funny. This is really colorful. And he is very colorful, by the way. Look at him. What a colorful, what a beautiful song is this. Beautiful. I love that. And I love the audience also. What is this? These shiny things. It's a light source maybe. I don't know. But okay, let's continue.
当人类悬浮到不朽，而谁愿追随彗星漂流？
Beautiful.
而篝火在银河尽头，
Woo!
点燃宇宙。哦哦哦！飘洒在无比宏大的星系。
Wow.
把掉沉迷洪荒的美丽，飞吧去寻觅红色的流星吧，让我们
Look at these crazy people. Look at these crazy people. They are so lucky. They are having so much fun. I am a little jealous here. Come on. These people are having so much fun. Very lovely, very crazy people. And this is the most different style from Hua Chenyu, I think. I am listening the first time very happy song from Hua Chenyu. Yeah, this must be first time, right? I can't remember. I am used to listen dark songs, sad songs from Hua Chenyu, and sometimes that's epic songs, rap songs sometimes. But this is, I think, the first time. What a colorful, what a happy song is this. Beautiful, I love that. Woo! Lovely.
笑吧，
Beautiful.
繁星一瞬燃烧，提醒我们告别沉寂的天体。在拥挤人潮，我也清晰地看到一座斑斓的宇宙。
Colorful. Colorful music.
让心离开地表，才能找到盘旋爬升的动力。快掌心拥抱，好过孤单的旅行，别再固执到老。
Beautiful.
但人类都环绕星球，会更远追随彗星漂流。
Beautiful.
而篝火在银河尽头，点燃宇宙。哦哦。
This whole part is so funny, so beautiful, so lovely. We talked a little about being sad with Kobe. I think we were talking about being sad from time to time in our life. It's inevitable or something like that. You can't escape those moments, you know. From time to time, the life gives you this kind of bad experience, and you have to stand no matter what. You have to continue no matter what. And I think Kobe just found her happiness with this song. I'm sure that in that moment, in that days, she listened these songs much, and I'm thinking that because of that, she suggested this song. Okay, I like that. I like this song. I like the vibe of this song. I like the energy. I like the message of this song. This is beautiful, colorful, beautiful performance from Hua Chenyu.
点燃宇宙，哦哦哦，我们要发展无比宏大的新希望，发亮生命洪荒的美丽网，飞马去寻觅红色的流星纹，让我们
This is crazy.
准备好了吗？小动。
Wow. Ooh, this is more crazy than even I think. Come on, look at these people. Look at how big is this stage and this hall. How many people are there? Come on, you are crazy. Wow. Wow. I can't believe you guys. I can't believe you. You are totally crazy. And this is the stage. The stage is here in the middle of this hall. Come on. This is very crazy stadium. Woo!
后面的朋友，
Beautiful dance. Beautiful. I'm sorry, I stopped. I wasn't planning to stop it. I'm sorry. My finger just touched the space button. But he's dancing so cool, right? He's dancing so funny, so lovely. Let's watch him again. I'm sorry. Okay, it was a surprise. But look at these people. They are having so much fun with Hua. This is so precious, beautiful. Beautiful. Let's dance. This is amazing.
发亮生命洪荒的美丽网，飞马去寻觅红色的流星纹。
Beautiful. Beautiful. Dream. Okay. Look at this music. Woo, that was amazing. Hua Chenyu English subtitles, of course. This is another beautiful work. This is another beautiful subtitles again. Thank you, my friends. We used Hua Chenyu English subtitles YouTube channel's work, his video or her video, I don't know. And I love that again, as always. Hua Chenyu sang Light Bonfire at the end of the Milky Way, and it was a very different, very high energy, amazing performance. Even I wasn't expecting this kind of energy, this kind of happiness from this song, from this performance. I was guessing that high tempo, up tempo, but come on, that was very colorful. That was very colorful video, beautiful, and with those crazy people with that big, crazy big stadium thing or hall, I don't know. That was amazing. Thank you, Kobe, for this beautiful suggestion. Thank you, my friends, for watching it with me. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.